So I know you're excited because we got a new project today, and our new project is with a material called clay. Clay comes from the ground, and it is made when you get dirt and water and you mix it together in a certain amount. Amount means how much. So if we have 1 cup of dirt and 1 cup of water, if we carefully mix it together, we're going to get clay. Now, it's very special dirt. You can't just go find dirt outside, but you have to find it in a very special place. So I get this from a company called Lizella, and there's a place in Georgia, a county called Lizella, and that's where they actually get this clay. So clay is different because when it is put in a special oven called a kiln, it will get really, really hard. A lot of people have things like plates and bowls that are breakable, and that is made out of clay. So you're going to have a ball of clay, and the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to roll it in your hands for a short amount of time. You saw I did it very quickly. Then you're going to use your hand, okay? Not your fingers, your hand, and you're going to be pressing down. Notice I press 3 times and then I flip. So 1, 2, 3, and then I flip it. Each time I don't want to press in the same spot, so I press here, I press over here, and I press over there. Then I flip it. What I'm looking for is my clay to stretch out. So my clay has now stretched out. It's about the thickness of a cookie. All right. Now you can see I have a few little cracks and things like that. That is okay. All I'm going to do is use my finger or my thumb, and I'm going to smooth those out. If I have some big cracks, I'm not going to worry about it. It is not a big deal. I don't want to press down hard, because this could stick to this messy mat, and we don't want that to happen. But you can see now it's nice and smooth. Is it perfect? No, we're not going to get it perfect. Now we get to do something really cool and fun. You will be taking off your shoe. Yes, I said your shoe. And we're going to take our shoe and we're going to press it onto the clay. Why are we doing this, Miss Lopez? Because we want to make texture. So you can see, I got to put my shoe back on. You can see the texture. So it's made some bumps in there. There's some other little dirty things in there, but that's okay. So it's made a really cool texture. Texture means how something feels. Then we're going to get to use a clay tool called a old paintbrush, and we're going to be pushing down. Do we want to push it way up here? No, we're going to make a hole so that we can wear this as a necklace. Oh yes. So I'm going to take this old paintbrush and I'm going to push it through so it begins to make a hole. And then guess what? I need to flip it over onto the back, and I've got to do the same thing because we need a nice big hole. You can smooth out the edge. All right. And then if it shrinks, I just push it a little bit more. So now we are going to let these dry. And when you come back next time to art, we're actually going to paint these. We're going to paint them, and we're going to put a special thing on them, and it'll make it nice and shiny. We're going to use very special paint. We're going to use paint that's permanent. Oh, that's kind of scary, but you will be fine. So we are going to be making necklaces out of these. So you're going to have the texture of your shoe on it. Oh, I'm so excited. These are going to look so cool when we get done. All right.